Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Create Printables and welcome to this tutorial. Today I've got this freebie for you which you can go down to the description below and find the link, and you can go and grab that and use this for any of your crafting projects however you like. But today I thought I'd just do a quick little project to show you some ideas of what you can do with these. So I've just released in my Etsy store a whole range of these journaling shapes. So there's butterflies, flowers and hearts, and they come in two designs. There's some neutral sepia designs, and then there's some rose designs. So I've just put together this one sheet freebie for you today that gives you a little bit of a sample of what's available in those printables that you can grab in my Etsy store. So I'll put links to all of those down below as well. And also don't forget to find the link where you can go and download this freebie. I'll also put this freebie in my Facebook group for my members there. So if you want to come and join us for some crafting fun over in my Facebook group, please do that. So okay, I'll get started for today. So my idea with these is I've got these tags that I've picked up from my local craft store, and I thought that it might be nice to make a set of 3 tags using these shapes. So what I've also got here are some papers from my Library of the Lost journal kit, and I'll put a link to that kit down in the description as well. Okay, so I'm just going to cut out these shapes and get crafting. So grab a cup of tea or coffee or your drink of choice and sit back and follow along. Thank you for watching this KILA Create Printables tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me as I made these tags using the Journal Shapes freebie. You can find a link to this freebie as well as links to my Etsy store where there are more journal shapes and lots of other crafting projects in the description down below. I would love to see what you create with this freebie, so why not come and join my Facebook group where you can share your projects with myself and other members. Please make sure that you also like and subscribe to my channel for more crafting videos.